Hey guys, welcome to Target 2B Part 3. We're still working with polynomials. It says, our master learning objective, I can apply operations of polynomials to advanced polynomial word problems. So we're doing operations of polynomials. That's what we've been learning. Right, we have 4 operations. So we're going to be adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing polynomials. Okay? To do word problems. So let's look at example 5. Example 5 says, explain what polynomial should be added to x squared minus 4x plus 6 to make the sum equivalent to 6x squared plus 3x. Okay, so what this is saying is, this is my first polynomial. To make the sum equal or equivalent to 6x squared plus 3x. That means this is my answer. So what this question is asking us is, this plus what is going to give me this? Okay? The easiest way to set it up is to stack it. I'm going to put x squared minus 4x plus 6. I'm going to leave the middle part blank. I'm going to leave room here. And underneath that line, I'm going to put 6x squared plus 3x. Okay? And all I'm doing is filling in this blank. What should add to it? Okay? So, x squared plus what is going to be 6? Or 1 plus what is going to be 6? If you know it right away, you can fill it in. Otherwise, do this. 1 plus blank equals 6. I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides. That blank equals 5. Okay? You don't necessarily need to show that work. Some of us are better at knowing in our head what we're going to put there. Okay? Our next one, negative 4 plus what is going to be 3. Good. You could just know it, or the opposite of negative 4 is plus 4. So blank equals 7. So that's positive 7. My last one, 6 plus what equals, well, there's nothing in that last spot, it's 0. So 6 plus blank equals 0. I'm going to subtract 6. Blank equals 0 minus 6 is negative 6. So 5x squared plus 7x minus 6 is that missing polynomial. Okay. Let's look at one more problem. Oops, sorry guys. Trying to move it up without. Let's look at example 6. Explain what polynomial should be added to 2x squared minus 6x plus 5 to make the sum equivalent to 2x squared plus x minus 1. So again, this is my first polynomial. Same color scheme. This is my first polynomial, 2x squared minus 6x plus 5. And this is my answer. 2x squared plus x minus 1. So, again, I'm trying to fill in the blank. So here I'm trying to go from 2 to 2. 2 plus blank equals 2. Well, we should be able to see that it's 0. I don't need to move at all, but I could subtract 2. So my blank equals 0. Remember, if it's 0, you don't actually have to write it in, but we could. So 0 as I don't need to write it. Looking at our next piece, negative 6, 2, remember this is a 1. Negative 6 plus something equals 1. I would just add 6. 1 plus 6 is 7. So I'm going to have a positive 7x. Negative 6 plus 7 equals 1. The last piece, 5 plus something equals negative 1. Subtract 5, doing the opposite. Saying equals negative 1 minus 5 is negative 6. 5 minus 6 is negative 6. Okay? So my missing polynomial here is positive 7x minus 6. All right, looking at our next example. You are making square invitations for a party. You start with a square piece of paper with 8-inch sides. You reduce both its length and its width by x. What is the area of the invitation? Well, let's draw a picture. Here's my square invitation. It has 8-inch sides. 8 inches? It's 8 inches. I reduce both its length and its width by x. So I'm taking scissors and I'm chopping off x here. And I'm chopping off x here. That means my length equals, I started with 8 and I reduced or subtracted x. My width, same thing. I started with 8 inches and I reduced it or subtracted x. Now I want to find the area. Well, area equals length times width. So my area is going to be, the length is 8 minus x. The width is 8 minus x. Okay? I'm going to multiply these things together. I can choose any of my 3 methods to multiply. For this one, let's do our box method. This one is the square method. What is it? 8 minus x. 8 minus x. 8 times 8 is 64. 8 times negative x is negative 8x. 8 times negative x is negative 8x. Negative x times negative x. A negative times a negative is positive. X times x is x squared. So positive x squared. So for my area, I'm going to start with the highest exponent, x squared. Then just my regular x's, I have negative 8x and negative 8x. Negative 8 plus negative 8 is negative 16x. And then I have plus 64. So really this is, once I set up my length and the width, it's just a basic multiplication problem. Looking at example 8. You are trying to fit a picture into a picture frame, but the picture is too big. You start with a picture that is 5 inches by 7 inches. You reduce both its length and its width by x. What is the area of the picture? So same type of question. I have a picture. It's 5 by 7. But then I cut off some amount of space. X. Okay. So my length equals 7 minus x. My width equals 5 minus x. Okay. Again, area equals length times width. So in this case, the area is going to equal, well, my length is 7 minus x. My width is 5 minus 10. Now again, I'm just multiplying. Let's use the stacking method for this one. So let's start with the negative x. Don't forget to include the sign. Negative x times negative x is x squared. Negative x times 5 is negative 5x. 7 times negative x is negative 7x. 7 times 5 is 35. Okay, that was positive x squared. Combining like terms, I have x squared. Negative 5 minus 7 is negative 12x. We're able to positive there, sorry. And then I have 35. When I write my answer here, I just, again, want to write it with my largest exponent first. So x squared, then I have negative 12x plus 35. Okay. So again, you can use any method of multiplication that you prefer. Okay? Alright, and that is all for X target B, part 3. Go ahead and work on your activity. Have a good rest of your day.